Guys, third time in the past calendar year, Anthony, Derek, and I have been in Copperfield subdivision. We're just making ourselves at home here. 4205 Nickleby Court. So much at this one. 2,600 square feet finished above grade, 4 beds, 2.5 bathrooms, beautifully finished spaces, 3/4 inch hardwood floors that you could eat off of. 2-car attached garage, so single level functionality here, and a 1-car drive under garage. Yes, I know, you're thinking Copperfield, drive under garage? Yep, this one has a full unfinished basement, 1,200 square feet. Guys, check this one out. Fantastic space. Look at this custom all-season room off the back. You gotta see it. Seth Jervis, Jervis Property Group, EXP.